Do you want to steward creation by making informed, scientific decisions that preserve God's world? Are you interested in a career as a conservation, wildlife, or environmental biologist? Cedarville's uniquely Christian environmental biology emphasis will enhance your biology degree and promote your spiritual growth through the knowledge of God's Word. In our unique combination of classroom lectures and laboratory and field studies, you will be equipped with a strong foundation in zoology, botany, ecology, and the physical sciences. You will be given the scientific tools to understand and assess many of the changes that occur in both aquatic and terrestrial environments. Our emphasis on hands-on learning means you'll be spending plenty of time both in the laboratory and out in streams and forests. When you graduate, you'll be prepared for graduate school or for starting out in the environmental biomonitoring, wildlife biology, or even zoo science fields. Consider an emphasis in environmental biology if you have a passion for stewarding and learning more about the world that God has created.